This week we'll be taste testing Olipop's Classic Grape Sparkling Tonic and Fanta Grape Soda. I'll share a link to Olipop in the comments below in case you'd like to learn about a more healthy alternative to soda. Now the staff will be giving their opinions on Olipop and Fanta.
It's a very good grape soda. I loved it when I was a kid. It tastes great. And try this pretty colored one. Oh no, I don't like that as much. Well, you know what? I do like it. It just took me aback after the Fanta. Let me try it again. Okay, I wouldn't say it tastes like grape. I would say it tastes fruit-ish. Fruit forward. I wouldn't be able to guess what fruit it would be though, but it's good. I like it. Yeah.
Tastes a little bit like grape. Oh, this is much better. Probably because it's not healthy. Yeah, I prefer the Fanta.
Fanta grape soda. Fizzy and very, very sweet. Very sweet. Artificially grapey. What's Olipop. It's like grape juice that's fizzy. It tastes much more like grape juice. A much more natural tasting item. I would vote for this one. I would drink this one, not that one.
It smells grapey. Tastes a little flat. Okay. This one doesn't smell as decidedly grapey. But it's sweeter. They're both good.